Good morning, class. Today we'll take another topic of the chapter, that is thorn forest, thorn and scrub forest. This particular kind of tree is generally found where the rainfall is accordingly less, and the trees are in the shape of shrubs and dry vegetation, you can say, and you can see in this picture so beautifully it has been shown, and somewhere the green, somewhere the brown kind of vegetation. So when we talk about the rainfall is very much less, that is 70 centimeters, and this is found in the semi-arid region of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh, Haryana. Vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes, acacias, cacti, palms, and euphorbias. These are of the main kind of thorny trees are found here, and bushes, and trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil, spreading the radial pattern. Find the water means like when they don't get the rainfall particularly, so in to find the moisture from the inside of land, the roots are go they generally go deeper into the soil. The stems are succulent to the conserve water, means generally they go deeper and deeper to find the moisture. Now when we talk about the common animal, it is well known that rat meat and rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild as horses, camel are the main kind of animal which are found. So in the map you can see the area which is showing here with light color, that is this one. This area is of thorny area where such kind of vegetation is found. Here now another category is that mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are the areas consist of influenced by the tides. So sometimes these forests are called the tidal forest even, and mud and silt gets accumulated on such coast. When we talk about only the two areas we have in our country, they are here. You can see these areas. So these areas are the tidal forest, and we know that in the ocean the tides come and they affect the coastal region. So dense mangrove forests are common varieties of roots that penetrate submerged under the water. So here you can see this is the picture of tidal forest and mangrove forest. The roots you can see they are deeper in the water. So beautiful picture it is before you, and means the roots whenever the tides comes, they generally covered with water. When tides gets down, so the roots easily can be seen. So these are the plants submerged under the water and found in the deltas of Ganga, then Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, and Kaveri. Sundari trees are found in Ganga Brahmaputra delta, like the durable and hard timber. Means the timber you can understand, the wood which is used to make the furniture. So other plants are palm, coconut, kyor, agar. These are the plants which are found in this forest. So famous animal when we talk about, this is main one, that is Royal Bengal tiger. Common animals are found turtles, because we know that these forests are on the coast of India, eastern part of India. So obviously turtle, crocodile, gharials and snakes are the main species of this forest. So these you can see and try to understand now. This is again one of the beautiful picture of tidal forest, and sometimes in like in the deltas beautifully it can be. Now another type of forest, that is montane. Montane means, like the spelling if you see it is different from mountain, so that's why we call them montane forest. And you see from the height, when we go altitudinally higher and higher, the variety of the forest we get, as we saw in the previous video. From tropical to the polar region, we have variety of forest, and to this we call montane forest. And here you see the height is that from 1000 to 2000 meter, then 1500 to 3000 meter, 3000 to 3600 meter, then beyond that is 3000 to 600 meter. Here only begin alpine grassland or alpine vegetation. Here the tundra vegetation, if you read in the previous classes, generally this kind of vegetation is that stern one, means only in a particular period of time, like in the month of June and July, we find a special type of vegetation which grow and sprout that particular period of time. So we can see more characteristics, like here all have been given, means when we talk about 1000 to 1000, so that is wet temperate evergreen broad leaf forest, oak and chestnut are found. When we talk about 3000 till the meter, that is temperate forest with the conifers, pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce, cedar, southern slopes of Himalayas, these kind of trees are found. And when we go higher till the height of 3600 meter, temperate forest grassland, silver fir, juniper, pine and birches are found. Beyond this height, only shrubs and scrubs we find alpine grassland. So Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrel, shaggy, horned, white ibex, bear and rare red panda, sheep, goats with a thick hair we find here. Moshes and lynchens are the species of fauna. They are found in this region. Even snow-capped area is of to hide by basically by this diagram you can understand. And with another way we'll see in the diagram, we can see this light green color is shown here. So this is showing the mountain vegetation in Jammu and Kashmir and in Uttarakhand. When we fill the map, you will find this. Then here in Sikkim, then this is Arunachal Pradesh. So this region is generally of montane forest. When we talk about the tribes which live in this region, they are like Guzars and Bakarwals. They are found in Jammu and Kashmir. You can see like in northern plain, or basically we call them Banjaras, because sometimes they live with their animal or their herds or their means because of survival of their animal, they shift from one place to another. And because we know that in high region, high altitude, there is a lots of or severe cold is there, that's why they migrate towards the downhill region, that is of Rajasthan, Punjab area, where they live for particular period of time, that is till the mild region. And when the season is off, because summer starts in the this reason, they move back to their own region. Generally these all these terms come in the pastoralism, but this is the lifestyle of these all tribes which live in this area. Now after this, because we read all the forest, that is mangrove, montane, thorn forest, and we will discuss some of the plants which are basically home plants, and very much herbal plants are important for our life. These are some medicinal plant we get in our India, and they are very important, like sarpagandha, jamun, arjun, babol, neem and tulsi and kashnar. They are very much important for the purpose of cure of some diseases like blood pressure and some diseases which are incurable. So when we use these all plants, we get relief. Like when we talk about tulsi, neem, these are the plants which we use in our daily life, and they are very much important for the purpose of cure some regular diseases which faced by human being. So we know that India is known for its herbs and spices from the ancient times. Because of that particular we survive, and some 2000 plants have been described in Ayurveda, and at least 500 are regular use. And the World Conservation Union Red List has named 352 medicinal plants, of which 52 are critically threatened. Threatened means here you can understand, like if we are not taking care of our environment, so what will happen? The day will come, they will be abolished, and we will know only the name of them, we cannot use them. And when we talk about 49 are endangered, so these are the terms when we study for the conservation, means is there is a need to protect them, to give safeguard and security, or we can take care of our environment. So commonly used plants I have shown you, or they are very much important. So in the next video we'll discuss with wildlife and the conservation of it and the reservoirs. So I stop this video here. Thank you. Have a nice day.